Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on removing a saved credit or debit card from an Amazon account. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by heading over to Amazon.com in a web browser and sign into your account if you are not already. When you are logged in, click on the Accounts and Lists button from the top right of the screen. From your account page, click on Your Payments from the Ordering and Shopping Preferences section. A list of your saved payment methods will be displayed here. Find the card you want to remove and then click the arrow button beside its expiry date here. Now select Remove. Confirm that you want to remove the credit card from your Amazon account. Your credit card has now been removed, and that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Amazon tips and tricks.